different. It's called a freestyle bike show because we just go out there and do whatever tricks we feel like doing. And what happens is the more energetic our audiences are, the better tricks you see. Because these guys get fired up. It's an adrenaline-driven sport. So all you kids, we got a pretty big show here today, 600 kids. If you guys will make noise for Sean and Steve, they're going to do some awesome jumps for you. So let's get them going right now. Here we go. Back-to-back, no-handers. Now, one thing that really helps these guys, they like to hear their names. And this is from experience. It shows where you say their name, the better they ride. But the problem is that they both have one syllable first name, Steve and Sean. So we use last names. Logan. Are you guys ready? Logan. Logan. Know what to do. Word, 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 word.